Hi everyone, I'm Gabriel Zamora, and thank you so much for watching. So for today's video, I wanted to do a multi-thing type of video. I wanted to shoot with my Ipsy glam bag for the month of December. So thank you to Ipsy for this glam bag. If you don't know, I am an Ipsy creator, so I do get this glam bag for free every month. But I also wanted to do a 2017 recap as I do my makeup. This video is a tutorial on this makeup look. I also talk about what's in my Ipsy glam bag, and I'm also gonna recap my entire 2017. This video is a long one, so just be prepared for it. Be prepared for it. So if you wanna know exactly how I did my makeup, if you wanna know exactly what happened to me in 2017, then keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so the first product out of my Ipsy glam bag is gonna be this Sun and Park Beauty Water. This is a multitasking toner water. It's just supposed to like start you off with like a clean base. Just helps like calm your skin as well. Like just smells clean. Okay, so the next product of my Ipsy glam bag is this Rimmel London Stay Matte Primer. And it is a mattifying primer. It's supposed to keep you matte for up to 8 hours, which I'm like, okay, I'm oily AF. So I have to keep this area nice and matte. If not, my foundation will split. I don't even know what look I'm doing today, you guys, if I'm being quite honest. So I thought, okay, why not do like a year-end review of your 2017 year? And I kind of like was gonna do it by itself, but then I was like, do people even care? I was like, why don't you just incorporate a makeup look? And that's what I'm doing. It feels nice, feels good. I'm not mad at it. Not mad at it at all. I've lightly color corrected, and for foundation today, I'm gonna be using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Nude in the color 4W1 Honey Bronze, and then Fenty Beauty's Pro Filtr in 240. The reason why I like to do both is because, I don't know. Let's start off in 2017, January. So New Year's, I was spending it with friends that I no longer hang out with. You know, like sometimes you can start the year off with some people that you are not gonna end it with, and that's perfectly fine. People come and go, you guys, so be perfectly aware of that sometimes. It sucks, but keep the memories and like savor that. But I had just signed with Ipsy in October of 2016, and I have a cheat sheet of like what my year was like. Yeah, I was fresh with it. I had just been in that month's glam bag. We shot it in downtown. I don't know, I just thought it was really cool. I was like, oh my God, I'm in a glam bag video. Oh my God, I went to New York City for the first time ever. No, second time ever, but first time ever in first class. I actually went with Kiehl's. So shout out to Kiehl's for taking me to New York first class for the first time ever. And it was really fun. I went with Nikita and I met some other really cool girls. That was the first time I ever got a tattoo. So that's when Nikita got her red dragon tattoo on her back and I got a little red heart. So we actually got red tattoos at the same time. That's when I first met Evan and Kat. And while I was there, I was sitting there and I saw Hailey Baldwin leave. And I was like, I had never really experienced snow. I've never seen snow. Oh my God, I went on a helicopter for the first time ever. I met Kaylani for the first time ever. I met Kaylani again recently at a food place, and she kind of like recognized me. And I was like, nah, she didn't recognize me. And then a couple days later, Kaylani DM'd me and she was like, did I see you at this store? And I was like, yeah. And I told her, yeah. She was really nice, but we never hung out. Kaylani, I live for you. I'm obsessed with this foundation, you guys. January was the month that I was able to announce my lipstick collab with MAC Cosmetics. Like, I was able to mention who the brand was. And then that was also the month I was able to mention what I was doing with MAC. Oh my God, I did so much with MAC that month. Okay, so I announced my lipstick on the 12th of January. I had to get a passport for the first time ever. Then I went to Canada to create my lipstick. I went with Laura. That was actually really fun. And I got to meet other people. That's where I met Nikia Joy from Australia. Everybody was super nice, super sweet. I still am obsessed with that lipstick. That was literally my first time ever in Canada, which was really cool. And I haven't used my passport ever since. Oh, and then I did one of my first meet and greets by myself in New York City with MAC because I was one of the ambassadors for their fragrances. I was heroin. It was pretty, I'm not even gonna lie. And now I'm gonna grab the lighter foundation, the Fenty one. Even though it like gets a little bit darker, I'm gonna keep it in areas that I want highlighted so it doesn't actually go on this light once it starts to set. You guys, I feel like I'm always eating in these videos. So I just got Starbucks. My name is not Robert. Oh, that was the Postmates guy. Remember when my drink was like the color of my skin? What did I do wrong? Okay, you guys, so for concealer, I'm gonna be using my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. I'm obsessed with this product, you guys. I just like love Nars. I just love everyone. Okay, so I'm placing that there, and I'm just gonna blend it out with my beauty sponge. In January, that I forgot, Gem Beauty LA. I think I can say this now. Okay. I'm sorry, Ipsy. But Gem Beauty LA, this January that passed, was my 1-year anniversary of ever going to Gem Beauty LA. And the first time I went was with Nikita, and she snuck me into Gem Beauty LA because I didn't have no money and she was doing a meet and greet and she's like, oh, I got you. You wanna come? And I was like, yeah, I wanna come. She snuck me in. I'm not gonna tell y'all how she snuck me in. That I will not tell y'all. It's so funny because I met the person who actually pitched for me to sign with Ipsy. So that person that I met when I snuck into Gem Beauty LA developed into me signing into Ipsy. Very appreciative of that. And then I also met Benefit for the first time ever there. Like my girls at Benefit. See, sometimes things need to happen in order for something else to happen. Now I'm gonna contour. So I'm gonna grab my medium contour from KKW Beauty. I'm obsessed with this formula, you guys. Even though it's like the smallest little amount of product, it's literally the best product. So I'm like, okay. And then I place it there. Like I kind of want her to like create just like one giant one. And then we're gonna blend this out. Also, you guys, this sweater, if you wanna know, it's a sequin hoodie from ASOS. It's actually a girl's hoodie. I just got it in like a large. Okay, you guys, and now for powder, I'm using Patrick's powder. Oh my God, for February, I did that Ipsy shopper shoot where I had those dogs. That was literally the coolest shoot I've probably ever been in because it was only me in it. But Ipsy had asked me, they're like, we want you to be part of the shoot. It's supposed to be like glam, bougie, over the top, very you. And I was like, y'all think I'm glam, bougie, and over the top? Thank you. In the photos, the dog was pink and there's multiple dogs. There was actually only one dog and it wasn't even pink. That's how cool it was. I was like, Ipsy really did that with that shoot. I was obsessed with that shoot. And then that was also the month that I went back to Houston for a wedding. It was my friend's wedding. And she's been like my first friend that's gotten married. And I'm like, I'm not even going on dates. You guys, I had to do my brows because I was looking crazy. For 2018, you guys, I'm gonna do something pretty interesting with my brows, so make sure you keep up. Okay, so I'm gonna go into eyes. Oh, March is a tough little month, you guys. I had my birthday and I had this like quarter life crisis. I don't know why. Like, you have to think about it. I went from like a normal life, like working a 9-to-5 job, to now living on the internet. I'm not saying I don't like it, it's just, it's weird. And you almost have to become a bit narcissistic in a sense to where you have to focus on yourself. You have to be aware of how you look. You have to be aware of the way you dress. You have to be aware of everything, always about you. And I've never been always about me. I fell into the rabbit hole. I got really sad at that point. Thank God I have amazing friends and an amazing family. And it just so happened to fall on my birthday. Once I got over that, I decided to chop off my hair and I had this like little pixie cut. I liked it for the day of. Me and my mom have the exact same birthday. We're both born on March 10th. So I was born on her birthday present. My Spanish video with my mom, I filmed that Spanish video. It was so funny. I was like, we should film. And my mom, you guys, isn't the best at speaking English. She understands it, but she's not the best at speaking it. So I was like, you know what? I want you to be comfortable. So we decided to do the whole video in Spanish. And it just so happened to do really well on my channel. I had so many comments that people were like, I don't know what you said, but I loved y'all's interaction. And I love my mom to death. Oh my God, in March, I went to Necker Island with Benefit Cosmetics. It was literally the coolest trip in the entire world. If you haven't seen it, I'll try to link it here or I'll link it down below. So now let's go into eyes, you guys. This is the Morphe Dare to Create 39A palette. If you don't have many colorful palettes, I definitely suggest getting this one. I am not a Morphe affiliate, you guys. I am on the Morphe PR list, so I did get this for free, but I am beyond obsessed with it. The creaminess, the pigmentation, it's honestly really good. I want it to be a very like festive-y look, Festivus. So for April, I went to Coachella for the first time ever with Kiehl's. I saw Joe Jonas at a party I went to with Nikita. I don't know how we got in. I don't know how we get into a lot of places. We were having fun. We were living our truths, living our lives. And then we went back to the hotel and we're like, oh, we're gonna take a quick nap. We fell asleep for like 5 hours. Like we woke up at like 9 p.m. and we're like, what the f just happened? And we were so hungry, so we ordered food. And that was the night that Coño Gabby started. I don't understand how it started. We were just so out of it. Even I was like, what is going on? And I still, to this day, get those comments of people saying, Coño Gabby. I don't even know what it means. If you know what coño means, can you comment it down below? Oh my God, in April, it was my lipstick, you guys. So on April, I think 18th, I did my meet and greet with Laura at the MAC Cosmetics store at the Grove. It was so much fun. I still use it. I have like 15 of them at my house and I'm not giving those away. Those are for me. If you haven't seen that video, I'll try to link it here or down below. For 2017, I collaborated with MAC Cosmetics. Okay, you guys, so now I grabbed a Morphe M433 and I'm grabbing this very like pink, rose pink, metal pink. I don't know, it's a metallic color and it's very much like a pink. And I'm just keeping it in the crease. Oh my God, I went to DragCon for the first time ever. I liked it. Everyone was just dressed up. Everyone was wearing makeup. Then comes May. I went to Vegas for the first time, you guys, with NYX Cosmetics. God, 2017 was a year of firsts. I will say that. I was basically Nikita's +1 because she was doing a meet and greet with Alyssa Edwards. And she's like, hey, I have a +1. Do you want to come? I was like, sure, why not? We ended up going out that night. Vegas clubs are like a club on steroids times 10. We went to this one club, we went to one, and it felt like I went to 3. Because when we go to like West Hollywood, me and Nikita will like to hop around just because we like love the experience of like seeing all these different people out and getting the feel for different areas. But when we went to that one club, the inside was just so big, it felt like 2 clubs. And then there was an outside area and that was big. And then there was like a different sectioned off area outside. God, that was so cool. Oh, and then I also met Tana Mojo and she let me call her Tana Mongoose and I lived. Okay, you guys, so this is what the eye is transforming into. I swore I was gonna do a simple eye, then I tried to bump it up a notch and now it's becoming something really cool and really fun. As I was scrolling, I was kind of inspired by this. This is the Natasha Denona Instagram page and I'm obsessed with her stuff. And I actually have this palette, but I don't have it with me. Look how beautiful that is. I was like, well, I wanna do something like that. I filmed yesterday with KKW Beauty and they gave me all of their Ultralight Beam powders. The gold one and then the pinkish one, you guys. June was the month of my surgery. I got liposuction with a fat transfer. I need to do a video on this, you guys. I'm finally like pretty much fully healed. I don't know, can I show my on YouTube? Since the fat was transferred to my, it was the best decision of my life. I don't even know what this eye look is, but I'm like living for it. Just living for it. I want to apply liner. And this is actually out of my Ipsy Glam bag, you guys. This is the NYX Slide On, Glide On, Stay On, and definitely a turn on, waterproof, extreme shine eyeliner. Yes. Okay, now let me do the other eye and then I'm gonna put on some lashes and then I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so now I have put on some lashes and the lashes that I'm wearing are Lilly lashes in the style Opulence. So I got this really cool thing from Lilly Lashes, you guys. I have 2 of them and it's honestly the most convenient thing. It just holds 3 lashes. I'm grabbing my Laura Mercier powder. This is the Candle Glow Sheer Setting Powder. And this is a Luxie brush. And I'm just like setting my face. This is like closest to my like color. I'm obsessed with this powder, you guys. It still gives me like a glow. Oh, I went to Kim's house. That's the month that I got invited to Kim Kardashian's house for the launch of KKW Beauty. I think I was like 4 or 5 days out from my surgery. And I was like, Gabriel, you're not missing going to Kim Kardashian's house. You're going to Kim Kardashian's house. I'm gonna apply some blush real quick. Peaches by MAC. I would never cheat on Peaches by MAC. I went to New York with It Cosmetics that weekend. I got to meet the founder of It Cosmetics, Jamie, super sweet, super nice. Now let's bronze up the skin. So I'm gonna use KKW Beauty's Powder Contour Highlight Powders, and I'm gonna use this bronzer. I want it to be a very light bronze. Oh, and then in July, I did Gen Beauty San Francisco, which was really fun. One time, I was at Topshop and I saw this really cool denim jacket. If you know Gabriel Zamora, you know Gabriel Zamora always wears a denim jacket. Oh, I want this jacket, right? And it had all this writing on it. It looked really cool. It was just like writing in black, sometimes red. I'll just write on it myself. So then I went into Zara and they had a $40 light denim jacket. And I was like, oh, I could do it with this jacket. I don't know what to write. And then I was like, what if at a meet and greet, I have y'all who came to meet me write on it. So at Gen Beauty San Francisco, I wore this denim jacket that I literally wear all the time now. I want to meet more people than I want people to sign it. I might take it to like another city and have it like really filled out. You know, why not? August, I did my Vegas vlog with Lilly, Galici and Lilly Lashes. We went to Vegas. I had never been on a private jet. I'm telling you, 2017 was like the year of first. But what's really cool about it is you don't have to go to an airport. You just like show up at this place and it's like a little airport and you just get in. Okay, and now to highlight, you guys, I'm gonna use this little nugget. Makeup Forever's Pro Light Fusion Undetectable Luminizer. So in August, you guys, I started to reassess friendships and people that I held in a close regard and associated myself with on the internet. I started to realize how people are. Even though I don't hang out with certain people and I don't associate myself with those people, I don't wish bad upon anyone because I would never want bad wished upon me. But if you see someone in your life that's toxic or negative, that's gonna literally leak into your life. Ugh. After that, September happened. I went to New York City with Nars, which was really cool. We went to New York Fashion Week. We went to go see Alexander Wang. I have a full video, you guys, and it'll be linked down below. It was such a really cool fashion experience. So Jan Beauty, you guys, happened in New York City, and that was my 1-year anniversary with Ipsy. It was really cool to see like where I was now to who I was when I first started. Ooh, it's been a year. And it's like really cool to see progress. That's definitely something I'm trying to focus on in 2018. Growing as me, as Gabriel. And one of my biggest things for 2018 is being more confident. Yeah. Okay guys, so I just realized that I never filmed me applying mascara. But this is a mascara that I use. This one is the MAC Cosmetics In Extreme Dimension Lash. This is their black mascara. I'm obsessed with it, you guys. It's like such a big wand. I'm just gonna put some more on. I don't really care. Oh, I didn't put anything on my bottom. Perfect. I'm gonna set my under eye just a little bit more. This one is from my Ipsy Glam bag. It's SL Miss Glam L36 Tapered Highlight Brush. So this is a highlighting brush, you guys, but you can definitely use it for different things. It's like very much a multi-purpose type of brush, but I'm gonna grab some more setting powder and I'm gonna go underneath my eyes, try to blend those little lines that I have. See, and it's like perfect for that under eye area. You look, and then you bring it around your nose. Sometimes tend to crease there. Put it on your forehead. And if you did want to do like a highlight, you definitely could just grab your product. It hugs like the cheekbone perfectly. Ooh, ooh. And then this little nugget, this is the Meech and Mia M&M shadow in the color white, but it has a gold shift to it, you guys. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna use a small little brush. I'm just gonna grab the product on there and just really intensify the gold in there. Right there. Oh, it's like one of those like loose pigments. Ugh, this is pretty. Now, you guys, I think I wanna do lips. So I'm gonna grab this little nugget, you guys. This is a Cosmoholic. It's the liquid lipstick in Mysterious Mocha. It smells so good. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, I'm down. And then blend it out with my finger. Ooh, this is pretty. Ooh, that's a pretty lip color. Okay, so I'm keeping that one too, you guys. Okay, you guys, so another product that I got out of my Ipsy Glam bag. This is the Pixie by Petra Mesmerizing Mineral Duo in Orchid Ornament. And it has 2 colors. And then the last product that I got in my Ipsy Glam bag, this is the Too Faced Lip Injection Power Plumping Lip Gloss. I am obsessed with these, you guys. I actually have 2 at home. I know I have lip filler, but a plump lip is always good. Know that it does tingle for like a couple minutes. I wanna say like 5 to 10 minutes. It'll sting and then it'll go away and it'll just give you that like plumped effect. It smells like a beverage you would get in the club. You're like, give me something sweet and strong. Because I don't know what to drink. Oh, I feel it tingling. And it's like the perfect size to travel with, and they're sheer. And this is the final look, you guys. I know I didn't talk too much about October and November and December, but those I feel like were my like super chill months. Like in October, I did some Halloween stuff. That was really cool. I moved into my new apartment. I think I'll give you all a tour of the glam room, but not of my whole apartment. I still want that like sense of mystery. And then November, I was super chill, super low key. Didn't really do much, just focused on like decorating my place. And now December, we're in December. And I'm having a good old time. That was my 2017 year review with this makeup look. I don't wanna always film tutorials. I feel like this will be a little bit more fun. If you guys liked this look and you liked this video, if you're at the end of this video, give this video a thumbs up, because if you got this far, thank you. It was a long one, so thank you for that. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, suggestions on what I could talk about in my next video, I promise it won't be as long, but leave them down below in the comment section down below. And if you're not already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And also, major thank you to Ipsy for giving me this little glam bag for the month of December. I was in the shoot, you guys. Super fun, super cute. I like this bag actually. So thank you, Ipsy. And until next time, bye everyone. Oh my God, I feel like we just hung out the entire time, the entire day. Okay, well, bye everyone. My lips are still stinging. Like I can still feel them. I'm gonna go from Cameron Diaz to Jay-Z lips. Ooh.